there's something wrong with the stuff in his head.
Yeah, I didn't say that.
That's because it keeps falling out his mouth.
I did not say that. I did not. This is what I said. I said, Teresa.
Here, accept up.
I did not say. I said, Teresa. Have you ever read? Have you ever read Eric's Facebook? And she said, not unless I have to.
You said.
I said, I don't think he's mentally
want to call my
retarded.
grandson retarded.
But
You called him a retarded,
I don't think
right?
he's retarded, but
Hey, is there one more? Hey, is there one more in there? No,
My needs to be louder.
Tore it up.
They put me in special ed because they thought I was slow. But I stayed in special ed with the ladies.
Karen, you had to ask.
When he's going.